Hi there! I am so happy you are ready for the coding journey! But, before we start we need to install a Python programming language, and a Visual Studio Code editor. Let's get started! First, open your browser and type python.org/downloads. The official Python website will be opened. Then, click on the yellow button to start download. Click on the downloaded file once download is finished. The Python installation window should pop up. Make sure you select Add Python to Path tick box. Then, click on Install Now. The installation process will start. It might take up to a few minutes. Be patient. It's all done. Setup was successful. Now you can close this window, and we will do a quick test. We want to make sure that Python is installed. Open Command Prompt, and type the word Python in the command line, then hit Enter. If Python is installed successfully, it will show you Python version, and other details. Well done on the Python programming language installation! Let's move on and install Visual Studio Code, next. Open your browser and type code.visualstudio.com/download. The Visual Studio Code website will be opened. Next, click on the Windows installer icon. So, download process should start. Click on the file, and accept license agreement. This screen just tells you where exactly Visual Studio will be installed. Press Next to go forward. Select Create a Desktop icon, and then, Next. Click Install button. The installation process might take few minutes, just wait. Click Finish button, it should open a Visual Studio Code. Next, we will install additional extensions. Click on Extension button, it is the last button on the left side menu. Then, type word Python in the search box and press Enter. From the list, select the first Python extension, and press blue Install button in the middle window. Hooray! We are done with the Visual Studio Code installation. Now you are ready to start on coding.